Hello everyone. You are watching very interesting debate Christian oblique Muslim. Muslim finds in the Quran Sharif. Islamic Allah hates all non-Muslim. Very interesting debate. If you like this debate, then please subscribe my YouTube channel.
You are a young man, child, maybe underage. Look, are you Muslim, sir? Can you help us understand, sir? So you speak Arabic? No, you can't help either. How about you, sir? Can you help us understand? Are you Muslim?
Alhamdulillah, of course.
Alhamdulillah, please come here. Everyone starts really well, Alhamdulillah, and then after the first question, it goes down like this. Please tell me, I am a Christian. In our nation, we follow Christian values. And one of the things we have learned is God is love. And therefore, we love our fellow human beings. We respect and love. Even if you make no sense at all, which is what we have been doing with Muslims at Speaker's Corner for a very long time. They make absolutely no sense, yet we respect them. Please show me one thing in the Quran which says remotely that God is love, sir. You look confused. Where did you Alhamdulillah go now?
One minute. My English is not very high. Just
Let
let me.
Yeah, go on.
Let me. My English is not very high. I not understand what you say. I understand little bit. I can answer you, but I don't want to speak with you because, you know.
No. You understand love?
Yes, of
Yeah.
course.
God is love. Yeah. Loving others is a good thing.
Yes.
We have learned that in our nation. God is love. Yeah. Can you show me in the Quran anything remotely that says God is love? Anything remotely? Anywhere?
All Quran.
Yeah, please. Show me one. If it's
All Quran.
Yeah. Show me one.
Huh?
Show me one place.
Yeah. He's all the brain. He is a stupid man.
So you can help us. You have the brain. You can help us. God is love. Show me.
We don't waste our brain.
You don't have one to waste, please. Don't.
Go there.
So God is love. You are the guy who attacked me a few months ago. Look, you see?
No.
God is
When did I
love.
attack you?
Islam.
When did I attack you?
He just want conversation with you.
When did I
So
attack you?
God is love. Anyone who can remotely show anything to the extent of God is love. You, sir. You didn't want to waste your brain.
Nah.
Where is it?
I'll show
Anyway.
you. I'll show you.
You show me?
Yeah.
Okay, please help me then understand.
No.
God is love. Anything remotely similar to that. Can you show in the Quran? I understand through my Bible that God is love. It's an impeccable quality of God. And I'd like to find out if the Islamic Allah is anywhere remotely that particular God.
What's happening in Palestine?
Now you tell me, give me one reference.
What's happening in Palestine? What do you
Please,
think
sir.
about it?
Excuse me, sir. Show me
What do
one
you think-
reference
what do you think
remotely
about
that
what's
suggests
happening
that
in
God is love. Islamic Allah is love.
What do you think about what's happening in Palestine?
Don't be confused, please. Question has been clear.
No.
Islamic Allah is love. Anywhere, please.
What's happening in Palestine? What do you think?
You're very frustrated right now, aren't you? Your frustration shouldn't be against me. It should be against your Islamic Allah.
You show me Christianity is a love. Islam absolutely is a
God
love.
is love,
1 minute.
fundamental.
But your whole book is corrupt. So why do you believe
Look,
in it?
are you a little bit confused right now?
No,
Did you hear my question?
No, you are confused.
I am saying Islamic
you
Allah,
believe in something that's corrupt?
the Mickey Mouse Islamic Allah does not have the remotest clue of what are virtues at all. And so
why
I am
would you
challenging
believe
you.
in something
Look, the gentleman asked, okay, that's Afghanistan. The gentleman, look, he began with an Alhamdulillah. He began with Alhamdulillah. You said I haven't got brain. He didn't want to waste his brain. So clearly you are very superior people who can in an instant give us a clarification. Show me one evidence remotely to suggest that Islamic Allah is anything close to love. Anyone?
Would you believe in something that's corrupt?
You are confused still. Yeah, if you are together with him, please take care of it. Maybe his medication you need to. How about you, sir?
Hospital, bro.
Do you believe Islamic Allah is love, sir? Anyone?
Go to mental
Why would you
hospital.
believe in something that's corrupt?
Yeah, you go to mental hospital.
To take you there?
I'll take you.
Go with you, no problem. Should I come and help you?
No. Help yourself.
No, okay.
Listen, Allah loves us. That's what He's in the book.
Sorry, what's that?
Allah loved us. That's what He's in the book for us.
Allah loves you, I understand completely. And therefore the delusion and the You know, you're thinking that you are the greatest people in the world. I clearly can see this. But does our Islamic Allah love me? Is Islamic Allah generally love?
Yes.
Yeah, show me.
Why should I show you? Ask you,
Well, because if it is there, you should be able to
well,
show
hang on,
me.
repeat your question.
Can you show me?
All Quran is Allah.
Yes.
You cannot understand.
Show me. Show me one place where Islamic Allah tells me that as a Christian, he still loves me. Please.
Show
One
me.
place.
Tell me, how does God
Show
love
me,
you?
show me, one
No,
place.
as a Christian, tell me how does God
Don't
love
be
you?
confused. Show me one
No,
place.
you
I'm confused.
Yeah, what happened to you, Alhamdulillah?
Don't tell me.
What happened to you, Alhamdulillah? You said Alhamdulillah. It all starts really well. And then it goes down the drain like this. What's happening?
With you. I don't speaking with man.
Manners.
Don't have brain. Man. Yeah.
Brain malice. Look, I ask questions. You haven't got answers. Who has the brain? Who doesn't have the brain right now?
Absolutely answer. You not understand about
Wait a
Islam.
second.
Why
You tell me. Say, maybe the gentleman can help.
Not brain.
If someone can't answer a simple question, does he have brains, sir?
If there is a stupid question, how will he answer?
Okay, explain to me. Oh, yeah, lovely. You know, it's very easy to.
All the stupid questions. No one answers the stupid questions, man.
Explain to me.
If you say can we see sun? Everyone sees suns. We can't answer. How
In other words, this is useless. Yeah, you just see the sun and get on with it. This is useless. Yeah, Quran is useless.
You finish, man.
I am finished.
You lost
Finished
this
and
job.
going where?
You finish this job.
Finished and going where?
Going to the hell soon.
Going to hell.
Very soon.
Yeah, you're
Very
happy
soon.
about
Yeah,
this?
very soon.
You're happy about
No,
this?
I'm not.
Yeah?
I'm
No, you're not.
I'm
Okay.
just sad about it.
Yeah, I
I'm
can
so
see
sad.
that
I
in your
can't see
smug.
it, yeah.
How about your friend?
See it.
Islam is.
So, dear friends,
La ilaha illallah.
what's that?
Muhammadan Rasulullah.
Are you a parrot, sir? A parrot? Are you a parrot? Islam has made parrots out of human beings. Human beings, when asked a simple question, can't answer the simple question at hand.
Blame them. They've been indoctrinated ever since they were born. You know, so they say you're born a Muslim, but you can't be born a Muslim. You're born into a Muslim family. That's the difference. That's why when you ask, they're always ignorant. They never know what you're talking about because they never have to learn it.
This is
They're just told from their parents what they're told, and I'm sure your parents tell you. I'm not Christian. I'm a Jew. I'm Jewish. You're born Jewish. That's an ethnicity.
Being a Jew is an ethnicity. Jew